My husband is a happy man because he just finished putting this together and there were no tools required. And that is definitely something he loves around here. This is a 75-gallon storage bin, and honestly, all the pieces just snap into place, which is really great. You have these handles here on the side, so they don't go very deep, but obviously deep enough for you to grab it. Because the cool thing is on both sides, you have wheels here, so you can just pick this up and wheel it wherever you need to your next destination, or if you're bringing it in different parts of the yard, which is really nice. In the front here, it is padlock compatible, so you can go ahead and put a lock on there depending on where you are going to have this. And then of course the storage bin itself, as I said, it is 75 gallons. As you can see, nice and deep. The recommended weight capacity inside is about 220 pounds, but having something like this, so this is waterproof, this is UV resistant, so if you're having it outside, obviously it's not going to just get like all faded and crumble into pieces, because this is really nice and heavy duty. So you know, if you want this kind of in a garden for storage, or maybe by the pool, putting pool floaties, even I'm just thinking kind of outside in like pool loungers and like your chairs, like the cushions, you could put this inside here. Really great for storage in winter, or just nightly storage if that's what you're looking for. But yeah, they do have smaller sizes and they also have bigger sizes as well.